Hello everyone. Let's solve problem C of LeetCode B Weekly Contest 62. Let me quickly explain the problem statement. In problem statement, we are given a string answer key having characters as T and F only, and we are also given an integer k. What is the role of this integer k? We can choose any k characters of string answer key and change their value to either T or F. Now what we want to find? We want to find the maximum number of consecutive T's or F's in the answer key after performing the operation at most k times. Let's see some test cases like test case 1 T, T, F, F. Here we are given k as 2. We would like to either make max substring having only t's, or we would like to make max substring having max number of consecutive x. We will take the maximum of what we are getting in both the cases. If we want to make max number of t's, then it doesn't makes much sense to change a value of t to f or a t to t. We will just waste our value of k. So we would like to change only a f to t. Let's change both these f value. Then we will get t, 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 t having max length of 4 consecutive. As there are 4 consecutive t's, so we are getting 4 as max number of consecutive t's or f's in this. Or we can change both these t's to f, so that we will be getting f, 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 f. This length is also 4 and max of both values is 4. So here is the answer 4. Now let's see test case number 2. T, F, F, T, K equals to 1. Let's see max number of T's. Let's see max number of consecutive T's we can get, or max number of consecutive F's we can get. We can change only one characters. Like we can change this F to T or this F to T. If we will change this F, then we will get T, T, F, T. Or if we will change this F, then we will get T, F, T, T. Or we want to make max consecutive f's, then we can change this t to f or this t to f. Like we will be getting f, 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 t, or t, f, f, f. Here max number of consecutive f's are 3. Here also these are 3. Max number of consecutive t's here are 2. Here are also 2. We are getting 2 here, and we are getting 3 here. So the max of both of them will be 3. Like we can make the max number of consecutive f's by replacing 1t. So here is the answer 3. I hope that I have made problem statement very clear. Now let's see the test case 3 along with the intuition of solving this problem. In test case 3 we are given t, t, f, t, t, f, t, t. Let's see the max length substring we can make from index 0 to some index j such that we can change at max one character to either t or f and get max length substring having only t or having only f. Like we are starting from index 0. Let's change all characters to t. So we have got 2t already. We can change this f to t so we can continue. We are getting t. Okay, we can take only this length. Like we can change this f to t, getting all characters as t. We cannot extend it more because we will get 2f and 4 t's. We cannot change any of them to all t's or all f's. So we can get max length 5 here. Now let's start from index 2. We can see we can change all characters as t. Let's say we can change this f to t so we can continue. Now the same situation arises. We are having both t's or f's greater than 1, so we can change neither of them to all t's or all f's. Now let's see from index 2. If we will change to all f's, then we can change this t to f. We will get length 2 only, but let's say we are making all as t's, then we can change this f as t and continue till here, because if we will get more ahead, then we will get 2f and 2 t's. Both of them are greater than k, so we can get only length 3. Like we can change this f to t. Here we can change this f to t, and here also we can change this f to t, getting all as t's. Here we can get all as t's. Here also we can get all as t's. Now let's see for index 3. Let's make all of the characters as t, then we can extend till here. Okay, here also we are getting length as 5. We can change this f to t, getting all as t's. Now what is the intuition here? Let's say we are having a string from index I to index j. In this string we can make all characters as t or f. Now let's say we are having a string some I1 to j. If I such that I1 is greater than I, then we are sure that we can also make all characters of this string as t or f. Now we will use this intuition here. We will be using two pointer approach because of the monotonicity we are seeing here. Like in this test case, we have seen that we are starting from index 0 and ended at index 4. So we are sure that from index 1 to 4 we can make all characters as t's or all characters as f. Now we will see can we go ahead. Then we can see that we cannot go ahead because we will get two f's or three t's. Then we can see for index 2, since we can make all elements from 1 to 4 either t or f, so we are sure that we can make all elements from 2 to 4 as t or f. Now we need to see can we expand it, but we cannot expand it because again we will get two f's or two t's. Now let's see for index 3 we are having here t t. We are sure that we can make all elements from index 3 to 4 as all t's and 4. But let's try to expand it. We can expand it. Let's see. We can change this f to t and expand it. And we can also take this t, and then we can also take this t, getting length 5. So that's the intuition. Now let's understand the coding part. A is the number of f's in the substring, and b is the number of t's in the substring. Now for index I equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, we are finding max length consecutive t's or f's substring which we can make from index I. We will be taking max of such all such possibilities. Let's see what we are doing. We have initialized index j with 0. Now we will increase index j till we are having minimum of t's or f's less than k. Like we can either change all t's to f or all f's to t's. Now we will increase index j. Then suppose the minimum of a or b becomes greater than k. Then we have got little ahead. So we will minus j minus I minus I. Else we are sure that minimum AB is less than or equal to k. Then we will subtract index I from index j. And after that we want to move to next I. So we will remove the contribution done by index I so that we can move to next index. Like if it was f, then we will subtract a, or if it was t, then we will subtract b. And answer we will be max of all such possibilities. And a possibility is the max length substring having only t's or f which we can generate from index I. That's it. Thanks for watching.